与自由之化，他们的新进展。形式将10月25日
是台胞，在1985年。
My grandfather was a war veteran who made his way to the Chinese mainland to join the fight against the Japanese aggression. He used to share his experiences with us from that period. What he impressed upon me is that loving one's country and homeland is never a slogan, but a steadfast commitment and action that spans across the strait.
道路的明确
The clear declaration from the Chinese mainland and the stance of the National People's Congress serve as a reminder to the youth not to forget this historical truth. When everyone recognizes the facts and remembers the history, a consensus on the necessity of national reunification and the pursuit of national rejuvenation becomes crucial for uniting hearts and minds.
The textbooks I had read back then didn't really emphasize the event about Taiwan's restoration. Perhaps what resonates most with young Taiwan people today is about the film Seediq Bale. But our people, the Atayal, are born with the nature of fighting against Japanese aggression that we must never forget history, nor the blood and sweat shed by our ancestors. It's not about fostering hatred, but about ensuring we remember.